Okay, this is my first video ever. I'm playing Burrito Bison. If you want to see me play more of this, or you want me to restart from the very beginning, I will. Come on! Oh. Well, I made it to the second wall, but I did not make it through. Okay? This is called Door Destroyer Unlocked. You can now upgrade Doors Destroyer ability in shop. Okay. Let's go to the shop. So I want Cake Eater. I'm gonna door Destroyer, and I will get back to you. And I'll get back to you when I can get Cake Eater. Okay, guys, I'm back. I finally have enough money for this, and probably I can get this. So I'm going to, because it's cheap. It's usually very expensive. Okay, guys, we kicked him right in the balls. We're about to beat this Beaster Bunny in a few turns. Okay, what we're doing is we're just bouncing. We're keeping good speed, so that's good. We've got $1,900, $2,000 so far. We're not going to make it through this wall if we get to it, but... Okay. We got the Peso Pals on the last pinata we got, so it doubled our money. So, I'll see you later. I will see you guys on the next episode.